thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Honesdale, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hornsdale, Tustin, Holly, Crofton, Bethany, Titley, Somerville, Beach Lake, Kimball, and Roland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne, in Southern New York,